everybody. Today I'm bringing you my very first Animal Crossing video, and today I'm going to be making over Zucker's home. It is by far my least favorite, but he is one of my favorite villagers, surprisingly. Yeah, and I will be doing some more Animal Crossing content in the future, but let's just roll right into it. And first I wanted to show you the other characters I have on my map. I have Zell, Soleil, Marshall, Zucker, Ione, Chino, Deirdre, who's also a favorite, Sly, who I want to get rid of, Fuchsia, and Cherry, who's also a favorite. Now, before we jump right into it, I did want to go over briefly how you unlock this. It is part of the new DLC. You do have to do 30 of the home redesigns on the island, and you have to have all the extra buildings unlocked and basically get through the credits in the DLC in order to unlock this. And yeah, so once you unlock it, you'll be able to redesign the interior and exterior of your villagers' homes. Now, here's a little preview of the outside of Zucker's home. I am redesigning my island. I will have an island tour coming up. Here he is in all of his cute glory. I never realized his freckles were green until today when I was filming this, but yep, there he is. We're just enjoying hanging out with him before I tear his house apart. Okay, so here's a little preview of what the interior of his before house looks like. It is hideous. I hate it. Yeah, so I'll just give you a little spinny spin here. He is just sleeping because he's lazy, so that's probably what he does half the day. Yeah, me crying over how ugly this house is. I can't. I'm so happy I get to redesign this. I did already make his house in the DLC, and I kind of based my inspiration for his redesign of my island off of that. So yeah, let's just get into the speed here. way this came out. I redesigned the outside and the interior. Yeah, see? Proud. Zucker really likes it, which is really good, but honestly, I don't think he would say anything if he didn't like it. And I will give you a little preview here in a second of what it looks like from all angles, but I went with kind of like a zen, chill style. I think it really fits him. I did use a lot of the sloppy set, and I feel like that really fits too. His original vibe was kind of that way. And I do spend a lot of time kind of tooling around, as you probably saw, like moving. I tend to throw the items I want to use out onto the floor and then place bigger items, and then at the very end I edit color and palette-wise. That's just kind of my method, and I usually start with ceiling, or the walls and the floors first. And here's the exterior. It pretty much looks the same, except for the house is redesigned to look more zen. I think it came out really good. I hope you guys like it. I will be making some more redesigns coming in the future. Let me know if there's any particular characters you're interested in, and thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope people enjoy this, and I hope I can continue to make these for you. See ya!